So, good morning, everyone. So, today I'm going to report about human major body organs. So, we have these are the main organs of the human body. We have kidney, heart, liver, human brain, lungs, stomach, large intestine, bladder, and brain. So, mano siya mga human organs. Next. So, in the human body, there are five vital organs that people need to stay alive. These are also a number of other organs that work together with these vital organs to ensure that the body is functioning well. So, natin lima ka vital organs nga dapat ang mga tao is kanang mabuhi jud o dapat na-ensure jud nga kana ang ni function jud ang ilang ilang organs. Vital organs. Vital organs are those that a person needs to survive. A problem with any of these organs can quickly become life-threatening. It is not possible to live without these organs. That said, in the case of the paired kidneys and lungs, a person can live without one of the pair. Brain. The brain is the body's control center. It forms the core of the central nervous system by creating, sending, and processing nerve impulses, thoughts, emotions, physical sensations, and more. The skull encloses the brain, protecting it from injury. The brain is made up of three main subparts. We have cerebrum, cerebellum, and brainstem. So we have the major areas of the central nervous system. We have medulla, spinal cord, parietal lobe, frontal lobe, temporal lobe, pons, and occipital lobe. Heart is the most important organ of the circulatory system, which helps deliver blood to the body. It works with the lungs to add oxygen to blood and pump this freshly oxygenated blood through the blood vessels and around the body. The heart also has an electrical system. Electrical impulses within the heart help ensure that it beats with a consistent rhythm and proper rate. The heart rate increases when the body needs more blood, such as during intense exercise. It decreases during times of rest. The heart has four chambers. The two upper chambers are the four heart valves: tricuspid valve, pulmonary valve, mitral valve, aortic valve. Kidney. The kidneys are two reddish-brown bean-shaped organs found in vertebrates. They are located on the left and right retroperitoneal space, and in adult humans, they receive blood from the paired renal arteries. Blood exits into the paired renal veins. Each kidney is attached to a ureter, a tube that carries excreted urine to the bladder. So, liver. The liver is a large, meaty organ that sits on the right side of the belly. Weighing about 3 pounds, the liver is reddish-brown in color and feels rubbery to the touch. Normally, you can't feel the liver. You can't feel the liver because it's protected by the rib cage. The liver has two large sections called the right and the left lobes. So nakaprotected siya sa rib cage. Di nato na siya mahilam, di nato na siya ma-feel. Functions of the liver. All the blood leaving the stomach and intestines passes through the liver. The liver processes this blood and breaks down, balances, and creates the nutrients and also metabolize drugs into forms that are easier to use for the rest of the body or that are non-toxic. Lungs. The lungs are the primary organs of the respiratory system in humans and most other animals including few fish and some snails. In mammals and most other vertebrates, two lungs are located near the backbones on either side of the heart. Their function in the respiratory system is to extract oxygen from the air and transfer it into the bloodstream and to release carbon dioxide from the bloodstream into the atmosphere. In a process of gas exchange, respiration is driven by different muscular systems in different species. Mammals, reptiles, and birds use their different muscles to support and foster breathing. In earlier tetrapods, air was driven into the lungs by the pharyngeal muscles via buccal pumping, a mechanism still seen in amphibians. In humans, the main muscle of respiration that drives breathing is the diaphragm. The lungs also provide airflow that makes vocal sounds, including human speech, possible. So we have stomach. Stomach is a muscular organ located on the left side of the upper abdomen. The stomach receives food from the esophagus. As food reaches the end of the esophagus, it enters the stomach through the muscular valve called the lower esophageal sphincter. The stomach secretes acid and enzymes that digest food. So what does the stomach contain? These glands make digestive enzyme, hydrochloric acid, mucus, and bicarbonate. Gastric juice is made up of digestive enzymes, hydrochloric acid, and other substances that are important for absorbing nutrients. About 3 to 4 liters of gastric juice are produced per day. We have large intestine. The large intestine, also known as the large bowel, is the last part of the gastrointestinal tract and of the digestive system in vertebrates. Water is absorbed here and the remaining waste material is stored as feces before being removed by defecation. So what is the function of the large intestine? The purpose of the large intestine is to absorb water and salt from the material that has not been digested as food and get rid of any waste product left over. By the time food mixed with digestive juices reaches your large intestine, most digestion and absorption has already taken place. Bladder. The bladder is a hollow organ in the lower pelvis. It has flexible muscular walls that can stretch to hold urine and squeeze the sediment out of the body. The bladder's main job is to store urine. Urine is liquid waste made by the two kidneys and then carried to the bladder through two tubes called ureters. So what is bladder and its function? Bladder, this triangle shape, so many shaft, hollow organ is located in the lower abdomen. It is held in place by ligaments that are attached to other organs and the pelvic bones. The bladder's walls relax and expand to store urine and contract and flatten to empty urine through the urethra. So that's all and thank you.